Peace be upon you and God's blessings. Today I want to tell you about a special word in the Quran with deep meaning. This word is very common in the Quran. Almost every time you open it and read a verse or two, you'll see it repeating. Can you guess which word it is? It's the word that starts the last surah, the one beginning with Kul. It's interesting how often it appears, don't you think? If you read Surah Al-Falaq, it also contains Qul. Surah Al-Ikhlas has Qul too. Similarly, Surah Al-Kafirun has it, and throughout the Quran, in many places it appears in another form, Kala. Sometimes it appears as Kala in the Quran. So what does it mean? In the Quran, sometimes Allah addresses people using it. Sometimes He speaks directly Himself. Sometimes it refers to prophets, other times to angels, and quite often to the believers. So, what's the actual meaning behind this usage, and how many times does it appear throughout the entire Quran? The word Kala appears in the Quran approximately 1719 times, meaning it is repeated that many times throughout the text in various contexts. The word Kala is a past tense verb derived from the root letters Kaf, Waw and Lam, originally Kawala. Over time it evolved into the simpler form Kala. This change reflects how Arabic verbs transform from roots to specific tenses. Understanding these roots helps us grasp the meaning of words in the Quran and classical Arabic. The letter Waw is a bit tricky to use properly in these words, so it was often replaced with the letter Ain. This topic actually has a long and detailed explanation, but for now just remember one simple rule. Words like Kawala and Kala are both in the past tense. Then comes the present and future tense of the verb, which is Kulu. You'll often see the word Yakulu in the Quran, which is used both in present and future tense forms. After that, there is another verb form that comes next, known as. The passive voice is shown through Chila, Chila, Chila. Like in Hadith when they say Chila ya Rasulullah, this word is used first, followed by the commanding verb. Kul. The meaning of Kul actually comes from Kala, which means said, that is past tense. So it means he said, and Yakulu means he says. Similarly, when the verb is used in its passive form, the meaning changes to was said or it was stated. On the other hand, when it is used as a command, it means say. Specifically, the term Kul translates to say, O Prophet, serving as a directive for the Prophet to proclaim or deliver the message. And also tell others, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.